Want to create a modern PowerPoint slide using video that looks creative and professional in just minutes? In this video, I will show you a simple video-based PowerPoint design that instantly upgrades your presentation. First, insert a text box and type waterfall. Center your content, change the font to Rockwell Extra Bold, and increase the font size. Go to Text Effect, choose Transform. Then, align the text to the center and middle of the slide. Next, go to Insert, click Video, and add a video from your device. And send to back. Now, select both the text and the video, go to Merge Shape, and choose Intersect. Your video now fills the text perfectly. Increase the outline width, change the border color to white, and add a video shadow effect. Then, apply a round bevel to give it a premium look. Next, insert another video from your device and send it to the back. Select both video. Go to Animation and apply the play animation. Finally, click on Slideshow to see the result. With this simple technique, you can turn video into powerful visual slides that are perfect for travel, nature, storytelling, or modern presentation. If this trick helped you, like the video and subscribe for more creative PowerPoint tutorials. Comment video if you want this slide file or more video based design. See you in the next video.